Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. If you're new, hi, I'm Suniti and welcome back to my channel. So obviously you have read by the title what we are doing today. Recently मैं Zudio गई थी and I have picked so much random products. So most of them are lippies and some of them are for body and also some for face, like all of them in just one video. So I am sure you're going to enjoy this. So before moving, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. So without further ado, let's just quickly begin with the haul. So I've got 4 lip products. I just loved all of them. I'll show you one by one. This is the Zudio lip serum. So it has SPF 30 and this is in the shade Peach Sorbet. I'll show you guys the shade. Now let's move on to the next lipstick. This is the Zudio Drip Check Lip Color. Look at, I just love the packaging. It's so funky and this is in the shade Cute Chaos. It's that perfect cool tone purple shade. I really love this. It looks so pretty on Indian skin tone. Then we have the Zudio color changing lip oils. Currently I'm very much obsessed with lip oil, so I thought why not just give it a try and let's see how the formula is. So this is in the shade Orange Blossom. Look at that. इसका टॉपर एक्चुअली वो मुझसे टूट गया था गिर के, सो यू नो, तो वो मुझे निकालना पड़ा. आई जस्ट लव द एप्लीकेटर ऑफ दिस. आई विल शो यू. इट इज दैट thick applicator. Look at that. So it just glides on your lips like very perfectly without just going here and there. It's so good. Moving to my most favorite lip gloss. Nobody has talked about this yet, so I thought why not just share it with you guys. This is the Zudio's Juicy Shine Lip Gloss. Look at that packaging. So this is, I don't know, the shade is not mentioned, and the magic this lip gloss gives. मैं इसको लिप्स पे लगा के दिखाती हूँ. Instant shine है, ठीक है. Look at that. कुछ लो या मतलब Zudio से, लेकिन आपको ये जरूर लेना चाहिए. एंड दिस इज अंडर 100 rupees. This is just for 99 rupees. So this is a steal deal. You can just you have to get this because बहुत मस्त gloss है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. और ये आप the lipstick also you can wear it and it looks so pretty. So I just love it. I just truly love it. And now we are done with the lipsticks. I've got a body lotion. So this is the Sweet Fudge Shimmer Body Lotion. Look at that. I love the butter yellow packaging. It's so aesthetic. When you just open it, the smell is so, it has a smell like coconut. and I really love the fragrance. Okay, so when you talk about this body lotion, it is so good. Like as a body lotion with this price point, if you're getting, I think you should not miss on to this. So this is the shimmer body lotion. तो जब मैंने इसको ट्राई किया था for the first time, तो मुझे as such कुछ extraordinary कुछ लगा नहीं. But after like few seconds, like after 10 to 15 seconds, you'll see a little mild shimmer on your body जहाँ पे भी आपने लगाया है. मतलब it looks so pretty. Like when you want your body to look like this, then this is the product you need. Look at that. I took some. It is in a butter yellow color. And मैं इसको ज़रा सा अपने I'll show you. इधर थोड़ा सा लगा के you will see the difference. Now अभी इसको हाथ पे थोड़ा सा लगाते हैं and let's see how it's going to perform on your hands. And I'll show you how it looks on your hands. You will not disappoint इसको खरीदने के बाद. This is my guarantee. और इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस इतनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो जब आप इसको लगाते हो योर रूम इज फिल्ड विद द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ दिस. सो लुक एट दैट. अभी तो फिलहाल शिमर आना स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. वेट फॉर 10 to 15 seconds. Shimmer is not visible on the camera, but let's move on to the next product. So basically तो मैंने यूज स्टार्ट भी कर दिया यूज करना. So this is the cotton pad. So it has 100 usable cotton pads. Can you believe? वो भी just for ₹79. And ये cotton pad काफी अच्छे हैं. मतलब I've started using this. बहुत अच्छा है ये. If you wear makeup, so this is a good product. Like इतने कम प्राइस में if you're getting so many cotton pads, then I think it's a good deal, right? So ये भी आप choose कर सकते हो if you want. Now let's move on to the jewelry. Jewelry में मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ jewelry लिया नहीं है. Just I've got one ring, one bracelet and one chain. So this is the bracelet. Is that crystal kind of like a bracelet. Look at that. It has this gold detailing here and obviously here also, and it's a statement piece, and this is the quality is very good, and this is also I actually very like it. Now I've also got a gold ring. This is a statement piece, and ये मुझे एक नज़र में इतना अच्छा लग गया. I'll show you. I'm already wearing. I really love this. Then I've got a pretty chain. Look at that. It has this black sort of pearl design. So it's so pretty. Look at that. Looks pretty, right? So the last thing that I got is some cute tops, like outgoing tops or like घर पे पहनने के लिए. So let's just go with this. I've got this t-shirt. This is in the size extra small, and look at that t-shirt. The only reason I bought this because of the back print. Look at that. It looks so aesthetic, guys. कितना मस्त लग रहा है ये पीछे से. See? Then I've got another crop top. Look at that. This is so good. बहुत pretty है ये. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. This is in the size small. Then also I've got one normal t-shirt. This is the one. I actually love the print and I really love the color of this. So I've bought this. Look at that. So this is all I have picked from Zudio. And आप मुझे comments में बताओ if you want me to review any of the Zudio new launches or any product that you want me to review for you guys. So आप मुझे comments में बताओ. So please make sure you drop a comment there. And also give me some suggestion for new videos. I'll do a honest review for you guys. So if you found this video helpful and if you have enjoyed this video, So you know what you have to do next. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. If you want me to know more, make sure you follow me on my Insta. So this is my Insta handle. So make sure you hit that follow button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.